Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we wanna create a Markdown editor using simpleMDE. simpleMDE is a simple, embeddable and beautiful JS Markdown editor. You can see here a demo of the editor. simpleMDE has many options for customizing. You can enable autosaving for save editor content in the local storage. Or you can hide the status bar and toolbar. But how to use simpleMDE? At first, we install it by npm. You must have npm on your system. Now, I copy this line and paste it in git bash.
$2,000 years later.
Now, we have to link the simpleMDE CSS and JS files to our HTML document. Be sure that simpleMDE script file is required before the script.js. This line finds the first text area in the page and makes it a powerful Markdown editor. Also, you can select text area by ID. You can get and set the editor value by value function. But simpleMDE has many parameters to configure it. I will tell you some of them. The toolbar key can be false or an array of the tools that we want for our editor, and if we comment it, by default it will be an array of the tools. Hide icons key is an array of the tools that we don't like to show them on the toolbar. The autosave key is an object that have 3 items. The enabled key can be true or false. That means enable or disable saving. Unique ID for a key name for local storage, and delay for delay of saving. The spell check is a boolean key that can be true or false. If it's be true, the editor will notice for wrong spells.